Dating can be a daunting task. There are too many do's and don'ts that you have to follow. Cracking a dating code can be as difficult as cracking IIT or IIM. So we have just the right books that will help you up your dating skills. So without further ado, let's get started. Dating Essentials for Me by Robert Glover. Robert Glover pens and narrates this book. And he stresses that this is the only dating guide that you will ever need. This audiobook shuns the old tricks and it gives you a certified way to authentic attraction. Sounds cool, right? The Game by Neil Strauss. Now this book is not a fiction. There exists a gang of men, an underground gang of men discussing tricks and inventing ways to seduce women. The author lived amongst these gangs with a pseudonym called Style, and he discovered the art of dating in a new way. He had unforgettable encounters with the likes of Britney Spears, Paris Hilton, Tom Cruise, to name a few. This is a remarkable journey of the author from frog to a prince to a prisoner. This audiobook is explosive, controversial, but it is guaranteed to change the perceptions. Wired for Dating by Stan Tatkin. While Jonathan Yen does a fabulous job of narrating this book, Tatkin does an excellent work by bringing together psychobiology and neuroscience to help you date. If you want a secure, functioning relationship, monogamous and long-term at that, then this audiobook is for you. Give it a listen. Online Dating for Women, The Basics, penned by Cassie Lee and narrated by Erin Fosa, focuses on the basic concepts of dating. So if you are to embark on a roller coaster that's dating, then you ought to check this book out. Now this book focuses on the basic concepts such as 7 things to consider before going for a particular dating app or website, 4 red flags that tell you if a particular man is not meant for you, how should your profile picture look, what should your bio say, how to make your first date safe and fun, all of that and more. Online Dating for Men, The Basics, penned by Cassie Lee and narrated by Erin Fosa, is a counterpart of Online Dating for Women, The Basics. Now this book again focuses on the do's and don'ts of dating, but from the point of view of a man. Dating Advice for Women by Rena McNally speaks about some basic and essential tips for dating. But what caught my attention the most was this book tries to help you create new relational thinking patterns. It helps you avoid those relationships that will destroy you and your life. It helps you come up with meaningful relationship goals. Now, if this won't get you to listen to this audiobook, then I don't know what will. So all you girls and guys out there who are ready to date, suit up, doll up, but before you go out on your first date, make sure that you give these audiobooks a listen, because these audiobooks will surely make dating a cakewalk for you. These audiobooks are available on the Storytel app. You can listen to one or all of them at the price of one hardback. So make sure that you check out the link that's flashing on your screen right now. Meanwhile, this is me, Siddhi, your book gobbler, signing out. I'll be back with more bookish videos. Till then, you stay safe and happy.